Welcome to Hey Kids Will Draw. We're drawing a baby owl.
A baby owl?
Yeah.
And what does the owl say?
Ooh, ooh.
That's a good one. Have you ever seen an owl?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
And are they pretty?
Yeah.
Do they have big eyes?
Yeah.
Just like you?
I don't have big eyes.
Yes, you do. You're a baby owl. Okay.
I'm not.
Everybody get ready. We're going to draw a baby owl. Okay, everybody. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We're going to start with a brown marker today. So, we're going to do the owl head kind of in this area, big baby owl head, and it's going to be tilted on kind of looking at us. So let's start with, we'll start right here. And we'll go down, jagged, down, jagged, down, jagged. Dokey, good job. And we're gonna do a big owl ear. Come over, kind of some pokey hair. Like your owl ear. Have you ever seen an owl in the mountains?
Yeah.
Another owl ear. Bring another jagged, jagged, jagged. Alright, we're going to bring this owl chin down like that. Kind of goes to a point.
Circle, I want this one to be like a girl.
Okay, you can draw a girl owl. Okay, and we're going to do two big owl eyes right here. So we'll go one circle.
One circle.
Good job. And then over here, we're going to do another big circle. Nice. Okay, we're going to do a beak. So we're going to go down, down. And bring it to a point. Down, down.
Down, 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 down.
Good job. All right. Owls have kind of this outline around their eyes. Let's try that real quick. Let's go around the eye. Point.
Around the eye and point.
And we'll do the other eye. Go around this eye.
Go around the side.
And around this eye.
And around the side.
Good job. Okay, we're going to do the rest of the body. We're going to do little wing. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's a cute owl. Where do owls live? 1.
They live in trees.
They do live in trees, huh?
1, 2, 3.
Should we make our owl live in a tree?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's make this little belly come down. Oh, a mommy belly. Okay. Make another belly come down. Now let's draw the feet. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. They're almost like little jelly beans, and they're going to be hanging onto the tree branch.
I'll do these. These are perfect ones.
Ooh, those are cool. I like them. Let's do another set. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we're going to draw this branch coming out. So over here, we'll just draw kind of a squiggly line that goes up.
I'm doing with walking.
You want to do it walking?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to do mine on this squiggly branch.
I'm doing mine on the beach.
On the beach? Owls on the beach. That sounds really cool. Now we'll do this branch going down. Connect under the feet. And bring it over off the page.
Bring it over.
I'm going to make this look like a little bit of a tree branch. Good. Maybe do a little branch down there, and this branch goes over there. Okay, so let's make this belly of the owl. 2 curved lines and kind of show the belly. Okay, I'm going to now exchange my brown for black. Everyone get a black marker. And we're going to do the eyes. I love doing the eyes of an owl. So we'll do a big circle right in the middle. Big circle right in the middle. And do another one on the other side. And we're going to do the highlights, okay? So do a circle. Circle. And I'm going to do a little circle down here. Little circle. Little circle. Okay? And we can color that black in, leaving those white circle highlights. We don't want to color those in because those are the highlights of the eyes, and we talk a lot about the highlights on this channel, huh? The highlights of the eyes bring our characters to life. Oh, it's starting to look cute. We'll do a couple of little nostrils for the beak. Okay, should we color this thing?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready to color? Let's color it. We're gonna do dark brown on the edges, and then maybe a light brown or yellow.
No,
on the
I
middle.
want pink.
Or pink. You wanna do pink?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do brown, she's gonna do pink. Fast forward.